Taiwan wants to ensure its partners have reliable supplies of semiconductors, or democracy chips, President told the governor of the U.S. state of Indiana on Monday, saying China's threats mean fellow democracies have to cooperate. Governor Eric Holcomb is making the third visit this month by a U.S. delegation after U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi made a brief trip, infuriating China, which views Taiwan as a renegade province, to be reunified, by force if necessary. China staged extensive military exercises near Taiwan after Pelosi's visit. Taiwan rejects Beijing's sovereignty claims, saying only the island's people can decide their future. At this moment, democratic allies must stand together and boost cooperation across all areas, she added. Taiwan has been keen to show the United States, its most important international backer, that it is a reliable friend as a global chip crunch impacts auto production and consumer electronics.